good, everybody? It's your boy Lil Mike. Appreciate y'all for tuning back into another video. A little smiling hard because I'm about to do something to my car that I've been putting to the side for like a whole year and some change now. And if y'all know, I'm pretty sure I announced this in one of my previous videos. Y'all know I had ordered a BBK for my car last year. It's a Brembo 380. Ordered that shit for my car last year, and I never just got to it. Like, I was supposed to do it the same day I changed out my throttle actuators, and I just, honestly, that day we did my throttle actuators, it took a long time, and we didn't have time for the BBK. So I'm finally putting the BBK on today after so long of just putting it to the side. Right now, I'm at the homie shop. Y'all know we had no swirls with it. Got the M3 here. Got all the big brake kit shit here. We got the rotors. We got the calipers. Decided to go with yellow calipers, front and rear. It's about to look insane. So another reason I've been putting it to the side is because I never knew if it was gonna clear my RIAs. Then I seen a dude on Instagram with an E46 with the same size RIAs, and they cleared his with like 2 millimeters of clearance. What's good, bro?
What's up, big dog? How you doing, bro?
Chilling, bro, chilling. Really just trying to see if they're clear. Got everything here. Got stainless brake lines. Got bolts for the calipers. So I can show y'all the rotor. The rotor looks insane. Here we go, right here. This is a TY3 rotor off of a Porsche Cayenne turbo. Looks insane, dog. Finally about to get to it after all this time. And yeah, I'm gonna just record along the way. Really excited because I've been meaning to track this damn car, but my brakes when I bought the car was already like, the rotor was already like showing a lip. I put tracking the car to the side just for when I got the brakes, but then I was being lazy once I got my brakes. It's been like a whole year of me wanting to track the car. I never had the chance to, so now with the Brembos on, I also gotta buy better pads. Right now it's got the regular Brembo pads, but this is that's fine for like back road driving and whatnot. So got my homie got no swirls helping me not get out today. I know I'm gonna have to like throw hella brake fluid in to bleed the brakes.
So vlog, we outside at No Swirls Garage.
Pull up
Pull up for all your automotive needs.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah, we about to get this M3 right. Okay.
Alright, y'all. Got the car up in the air. My rear rotors. You can see it lipping right here. Looking real bad, but look at the titanium though. Titanium looking. Ooh, this hub looking a little rusty. I might have to change this out eventually. And my spacers are probably like really stuck on it too. Probably gonna have to change those off as well. Yeah, this front hub rusty as shit too. Definitely need to change those out. Control arms looking good. Nothing looks like shot or nothing. Can't believe how good the titanium looks still though. It looks gorgeous. All the rotors. Shit's about to look so good inside of the RIA, bro, I swear. This is CFET's 240i. Just upgraded the turbos not too long ago. I think he went with pure 7s or pure 8s. I'm not big on the turbo boys, so clearly my dumb ass don't really know. Big ass B-lock in the back. Got one side up. Crazy right now, bro. Got the homie shaving the other side right now because you gotta shave the heat shield for this shit to even fit. You see the other heat shield right there. That shit look nuts. Yeah, but we gotta get this caliper on soon. Shit looks crazy. Look how old that one looks. That's how good this one looks. Just look at the difference in the rotor, bro. Like, these aren't bad, but like, nigga, come on, bro. And this little baby ass fucking 2-piston caliper, bro. Like, I don't know why the fuck BMW did that shit. Who the fuck wants a 2-piston? Gotta get the 4-pot and 6-pot, nigga. Yeah, this shit should come out good. Like, y'all see, I need to reattach my side skirts. This isn't like, actually, let me not touch it that much because it's kind of resting on here a little bit. My side skirt needs to get bumped up a little more. Got this cambered out cat here. It's an actual Hellcat. I thought it was a Scat at first, but no, it's a Hellcat. It's cambered out. And this is 300 SRT with a blower on it. This joint's crazy. You know, I used to always want a 300. You know, I'm black at the end of the day, so of course these cars pique my interest a little bit. Yeah, I pulled up here like a couple minutes before 10. It is 1 o'clock right now. Not making the worst time. We had to let some WD-40 sit on some of the rust. Yeah, right now they're getting both fronts on. Then we're gonna test fit the fronts just to see, so we're not wasting too much time. I mean, regardless, we're gonna make it fit. That's not a question. We are 100% going to force that shit to fit. But just to see if we gotta do any modification to the other side. It's 1 o'clock. I say we'd be finished up by like 4, 5 o'clock. I hope. Look at this drift Z they got here though. On some little like fake Meisties. Got the Meister look, but it's a drift car. I wouldn't even want real Meisters on it anyway. The twin intakes, bash bar. I need to show y'all my FRS. My FRS got some pretty cool shit. Like some minor cool shit. I wish I never took the supercharger off. I feel like I'd be a lot more inclined to drive that joint and showcase it more on the channel if I never took the supercharger off. But you know, I'm stupid. I thought I was gonna sell the car. Nice little Z right here as well. Uh-oh, someone getting pulled over. Damn, should I take this trans? All I gotta do is jack this car up. Pop that bitch right out. Can't do shit with that CVT anyway. Alright, y'all, I'm a little nervous. I don't think this shit is gonna fit. This shit is humongous, bro. Like, bro, that shit is way too big. Fuck. I don't know. We're gonna see. And just hope and pray. But this shit look big as fuck. Y'all, look at the size of this. And then look at these are way smaller, bro. I don't know, y'all. Boy might be cooked. We're trying to make something shake, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to make something shake. Woo. Y'all moving on to the rears. Shaved off this part of the heat shield. You can see it got some marks and whatnot, but it's all good. Got the brake lines on now. Get the rotor side difference. Freezing. Alright, y'all, we ran into a slight little issue. So on the front, you come over here really quickly. On the front, for some reason, the pad is touching this black portion. And it's kind of like rubbing. So we're trying to figure out what's the problem is here. I think this bracket might have to go on that side. But we're gonna figure that out just a second. But yeah, for some reason this pad's not trying to go on. And for some, we had to like shave right here a little bit. So I don't know, we're trying to figure it out now. Man, look at C-Pad getting right. Shout out to my boys at No Swirls, man, really hooking me up, throwing this BBK on for me. Clearly I'm paying them, I'm not put that out there. They're not doing it for free, but they are hooking me up. Yeah, just run into a couple little fitment issues. We still haven't even test fitted the wheels, see if the wheels fit, so. And that's about to be a bit of a problem. We're prepared to shave anything we gotta shave to make it fit, but we're trying to like shave as less as possible, so. God damn. Up, y'all. Turns out your boy was correct. The bracket was upside down, so we just flipped the bracket over. It's all good to go. I'm bleeding the brakes now, and then should be just about done. See if the wheel's clear. This shit just looks so sick, bro. Oh my god. I really cannot wait to like drive this car, touch the brakes and all that. It's gonna be so hard, bro. Fuck! Park, you gotta see this shit, bro. This shit look OD. With the wheels on.
Yo, Brody.
There you get your reaction to seeing it. This shit looks crazy, bro. Oh my god. Damn. Hey, yo. This is like absolutely nuts. Nah, y'all, this looks crazy, bro. Like, oh my god. Let's peek the rear real quick, y'all. Oh my goodness gracious, this looks so fucking good, bro. Jesus, bro. Alright, y'all, we just pulled up to this clapper meet. This nigga Park looks terrified right now. My boy Bill on his A6, the Gram lights. And this is the lady's car. Both of them looking good next to each other. We got all the clap boxes rolling through. We got some nice bikes. Nice little E46. I thought this was an E36 pulling up. Damn, that shit just caught my net. This little Mark 5 T. Alright. Just clean F80. The Apex. Alright. G82 is kind of hard. The dark blue with the bronze accents and stuff. Super is crazy. Oh my god, why do you got gram light? No. Yeah. Boy. Single turbo F82. Shit hard. This Evo is hard. God damn. Nah, this Evo wet. In a parking lot full of ice, this is actually hot. Kinda want, like, don't got nothing to show y'all, bro. Like, it's just a whole bunch of, like, hey, yo. Oh, what's up? This blue S15 right here on the gram lights, which is alright. You got the white S15. That shit hard. You got the black Type bar. You a real OG if you remember when I had the dogfight stickers on the end. Boy, Huss sold his fucking NSX. I don't even think I had his 360 on the channel yet, but now the man, he sold his NSX, bought a Ferrari 360, and now sold that and has picked up this Nismo GTR. Insane. Nice Jeez, 4-star. Well, guys, that just about sums up that meet. It's a Columbia, Maryland meet. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm just glad I got my brakes on. You know, Impact is next week, and I can't wait, bro. Got some good meets coming up this weekend. I got Mikey and Mel's, and I got Kent Island Cars and Coffee this weekend. I got some videos I got to catch up on. I honestly been like slacking because before I ain't have enough videos, and I was trying to stretch them out, but now I got too many, so gotta start getting back on my editing run. I was editing while I was at work a lot, but now I've kind of been lazy at work, so. What is up, everybody? I'm out here with all the homies right now. We about to head to Kent Island Cars and Coffee. I feel like the last video I just recorded was us going to Kent Island. Mikey and Mel's was just yesterday, and I freaking forgot my camera in the damn bathroom, bro. I left out the crib. You got Jacob's car monster trucking right now. He gotta put it. He gotta put it in sport, bro. When it's in comfort right now, so it's monster trucking. Darnell painted up his bumper. This shit looking good. You already know, Park got his LMRs looking good, looking great. We about to be ready for Impact. Yeah, I just got off of work. All the homies pulled up here. You already know the BBK looking good. God damn, bro. I should have been put this BBK on last year, bro. I don't know why I was loafing so hard, thinking it wouldn't clear. I'm clearing with hella space. We about to get right about to be a nice little cruise out there. Right now we're waiting on Kilmer. I had ordered some donuts right after work, and asked him if he can pick them up. So, damn, look at Kilmer's E39 looking good. What's up, handsome? I didn't know if you wanted whipped cream or not on your shit.
It's good, yeah.
All right, y'all, we just pulled up to Kent Island Cars and Coffee. Got a whole lot already. Got this nice GSX. That shit hard. Ain't got this CTSV brake kit. Okay. Got the young niggas.
Jumping for joy right now.
Me? Fuck yeah, bro. I used to love the 300. Yeah, Marina with the red guts. Top down. Alright, huh? It's purple Bentley right here. Bentley kind of hard. The white guts, speakers in the seats. This shit hard. Big GLE. Sheesh. Big ass twin turbo R8. Sheesh. Crazy Aventador. Got my homie Kendall's GT3 right here. 1886 wood. Boy just got his cage put in. Got his mask. That's my homie that actually got me my mask for my M3. But definitely C5. S2K on the Regas. Fox body Mustang looking good. This me just a tad dry today, but it's okay. The last one was so packed. This E36 on the RS2. Good. Man, ours E92. Oh fuck, bro. I need some pole position so badly, dog. I think I might buy some magnetic shifters soon. I don't know yet though. Nice little R35 right there, looking good. You know, the best two M's in the DMV getting flicked up right now. Got my homie Marvin, my homie Zell, just flicking this up.
Yeah, yeah. Let me in my habits, bitch. I'm in that mode again. Thank you for that.